How to enter restricted stock unit sales in H&R Block. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, you want to open up any web browser and on the search box, search for hrblock.com and press enter. Once you are on this page, the first thing you want to do is sign into your account. For that, click on the sign in option. Then on this box, enter your username, email ID or your mobile number. Then click on the continue option. Click on create account if you don't already have one. Once you have logged into your account, you want to click on the search icon over here. On the search bar with your return open, search for 1099B and select the jump to link. Have your 1099B and W-2 handy because you'll need them for this section. When you enter your 1099B, follow these screens to enter your sale info. You have to find the RSU sales entry. Within the investment or stock section, look for an option to add sales or transactions. Then input the details of the RSU sale, including the sale date, number of shares sold, sale price per share, and any fees or commissions associated with the sale. If the RSUs vested at different times or had different cost base, make sure to enter each transaction separately. After that, you want to provide cost basis information. The cost basis is crucial for calculating your capital gain or loss. If your RSU were subject to taxes upon vesting, the cost basis may include both the income recognized upon vesting and additional fees or taxes paid at that time. After that, you want to report capital gains or losses. Once you have entered all the necessary information, review the summary to ensure accuracy, and then confirm if the RSU sales has been properly incorporated in your overall tax return. After that, you will be able to file your taxes. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.